Hey guys, it's Emily here. So welcome to another unboxing. This is an item I got from the UK. Very happy with the seller that actually did it, because she normally doesn't do it. It's just like a Disney fan page that she has. So I'm very happy that she decided to do this for me, because I asked a lot of people and a lot of people said no, they don't do it. So I'm very happy that she was able to do it for me. Also follow my Instagram account. It's in our town of Halloween. Go follow my account. That's my Halloween account, so please go follow it. And then also you can find this thing that I'm going to be posting then, and then you can see like who the seller is and whatever. Make sure you follow her. So yeah, okay, enough of talking. I have the package here. I can't really show it because it has my address and then her address on the back. But like I said, it's from the UK. Super excited. Night Before Christmas related. Let's go. Okay. Okay. So I'm opening it up. I can show you guys this because it doesn't have anyone here. So, so she put it in a Disney bag, wrapped up. It's from the Disney store, like I said, it's from the UK. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh my goodness, look how cute that is. So this is what it is. I'm gonna have to set it up a little bit better. But it is Zero and Jack, and he's like holding Zero. And he can detach, so I could cut this off so that I can have Zero and Jack, but I really want to keep them together because I think it's really cute. So I'm just gonna set this up a little bit better here so I can show you guys. So it's supposed to be like this. So he's like holding Zero. Everything looks so good with this. The only thing is that, which I probably can cut off, that Zero has like some like red, like it's basically just string. It's kind of weird. I don't know if there was something attached to him before. But this is super cute. I think this is adorable. And I love it. You can get stuff at the UK Disney store, and you can order it from the US, but I did not see them having this plush, and I really wanted this plush. It's just like so adorable. And yes, I do have Jack and Sally as a Jack and Sally. I have Jack and Zero as a plush already, but this is like you know, they're like little babies and they're just like so cute. So I love this. And actually just saying Jack and Sally, that would be so cute if they actually had a Jack and Sally, like, you know, like holding each other. That actually would be really cute. But anyways, yeah, so this is what I got. Yes, definitely super cute. There is another shop I found if you want to comment down below or message my Instagram. She is from the UK, and she does pick up deliveries and stuff like that. I just got lucky with this very nice girl that decided to just do it for me, because I think she already had the plush and she decided to send it to me. But yeah, he is so cute. They are so cute, and I just really love everything about this. This was just like really cute. Be sitting on the shelf. I do have a Sally that I'm going to show you in a moment. Little Sally, I got this from an eBay seller, and she is originally from the Disney parks. And I just think they look so cute together because they're like kind of like little in a way, and I just think they have that like really kid feel to it. And I also got this Oogie Boogie as well from an eBay seller that is originally from the Disney parks. It does have a tag there, but it's been used a lot. So it's really old, doesn't have like, you know, the tag. And it is a bit dirty. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see it kind of in the back. It has a roan stain on it. I don't know if I can wash them or not. I'm kind of nervous because I feel like this bug would probably get detached. I'm not too sure. But I have him. I also have another Oogie Boogie. But he's not really like have that kid feel. I mean, kind of, but kind of not. But I just think these look really cute looking, because if you know me, I want to have, like, when I have a kid, I'm going to have the, well, my baby shadow of Night Before Christmas theme, and I just think this would be so cute to have with it and then have in the room. Obviously that's for later in the future, but you know, just thinking ahead, because obviously I love this, and I'm definitely gonna add this to my plus collection, because I already have like bigger version of Jack and Sally and stuff. So yeah, I just think this is so adorable. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. By then I probably already have all my Name for Christmas unboxing plushes upload, so this is probably the last one, but I definitely will have more. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.